Oh no, it's Christmas morning and your customer just woke up and had Christmas with the kids and took lots of pictures of the kids opening up their presents, and she was posting them on social media, and she happens to notice over in the corner that she has forgotten to wrap a present for Aunt Sally, and she's supposed to be at her family's house by 2 p.m. and all the stores are closed on Christmas Day. What is she going to do? She's out of labels. Here's what she's going to do. She's going to get on Etsy and she is going to purchase some Christmas labels that are an instant download, and she's going to print them out on printer paper, and it's going to save the day. So, this is all a matter of preference. But labels can be, it depends on if you have a big package and you want to make the labels big. The size is completely up to you. You can use this site, Ninja Units, and you can put in however you want. So I'm wanting this to be 4 inches long, but I'm only wanting it to be 2.5 inches wide. So it's only going to be 750 by 1200 or 1200 by 750. Okay, so we're going to hop over here to iPicky.com and we are going to go to our designer and we're going to click on new, and we're going to put our pixels here to make that 2.5 inch by 4, and we're going to enter 1200 by 750, and we're going to click create. Now this is going to look big here on the screen, but I can assure you this is only 2.5 inches tall and this is 4 inches long. So we are going to add some graphics. Now let me tell you, I went on Etsy a while back, a few weeks ago, and for $1.98 I got tons of these Christmas papers and all this Christmas clip art, and these are already in PNG files, and I do not have to take out the backgrounds of anything. Nothing. Okay, so let me go ahead and upload a few of these images here, and I'll see what I would like to do. I think I'll just stick with something traditional. I'm going to upload that, and I might upload a few more things. And then the beauty of this is that you can make several of these in different colors and designs and, you know, all sorts of things, and then you can sell them on a sheet on Etsy. So, and we're not going to add probably a whole lot to this. We'll just play around and see how we... Okay, I'm just going to work with what I have here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we are going to want to completely cover our paper with this, or cover our template with this snowflake paper. Okay, now we need to add something. We're going to go over here to our geometric shapes, and we have the option here on labels. We can pick and add one of these labels here. Okay, so we are going to pick, I think I'm just going to use this one. Okay, and then we want to change the color of this, and I think I am going to change it to a green. I need to hit solid color. Okay, so this is going to be like our border. Okay, and then we're going to actually add another one of those, and then we're going to make it white to give us a border around. Okay, and then this one, we're going to click here to change it to a solid color, and then we are just going to change the color to white. And then we are going to make this big, and we're just basically going to make this a border. And you can just keep playing around with this until you get it to your liking. Okay, so now we have our background and we have this, and I think is what we're going to do is maybe add just a little bit of clip art. I don't think I'm going to use all of these. I think I'm going to use this stocking. Now this is a transparent background, and we can kind of flip it around, and we can make this a little bit smaller, and we can put this up here on the edge, and then we can add the Christmas tree down here. I mean, you can do this however you want. I'm just trying to kind of give you some examples of how to do this. Okay, so now we need to add some text. Now, there's something I would like to check out, because I think on here on iPicky.com, I think they have a font that is similar to the Grinch, but yeah, I don't know if it's on here or not, so it's okay. We're just going to put to and from. That's all we have to do is type that on here. So we're just going to add some text, and we're going to put to and then we're going to put from, and we can make this a little bit bigger, and we can change the color of this if we want to, and the font. And I will go ahead and pause that while I find a font and a color. Okay, so I picked out my font, and I also picked out the color, which is similar to this green border that we have. And once again, you can get as creative as you want with this and use, whatever you want. You can even make your own papers if you would like. This is not difficult to make at all. Christmas papers are not difficult to make at all. And then here's some graphics here. And let me make this tree just a little bit smaller. So once again, it does. This looks like a Christmas label, and the fact that I'm making this myself, I actually like this idea, because it seems like when I buy these in the store, they always put the to and the from so close together that you can barely put, like, to mom, love, Alicia, I usually always write love in between here, and there's hardly ever any room. So I like the fact that I'm doing this myself. So I'm going to go ahead and save this image to my desktop. And once again, I'm going to kind of go back into that folder. I just want to show you everything I got for $1.98. So I got all of these papers. I think it was like, it was like so many papers. And then I got all this clip art, all of it. And it's all in a PNG format. All of it for $1.98. So I don't know if somebody just forgot to put these back to the price, because during the winter, you know, she may have marked it down to, or during the summer, she might have marked it down to like $1.98, but she could really probably get a lot more money for these by upping it to at least, you know, $8. I mean, for all of this, I mean, that's what I would have probably paid for something. That's just a lot of clip art. So, so the next thing I do, since I already have that saved, I'm going to click New, and I'm going to discard this, and to kind of show you what it looks like, the final, I'm making my YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720, and I'm going to click Create, and then we are going to upload the image here that we just created of our printable label. And we are going to drag this label tag over here, and we just saved Christmas Day. Now your customer has a label to print out for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos just like this, and also how to make a passive income online. Thanks for watching, and everyone have a great day.